Oslo has a reputation for being one of Europe's more expensive capitals. But travelers who look beyond the most prestigious five-star names can still find sophisticated hotels combining Scandinavian design, excellent locations and impressive facilities at much more approachable prices. And because Oslo is compact and extremely well connected, you do not necessarily need to pay a premium for the perfect address. We're counting down 5 affordable luxury hotels in Oslo, with indicative prices in US dollars to help you compare the value. Rates can change with season, weekends and major events, so treat these figures as useful starting points rather than guaranteed prices. And stay for number 1, because our winner combines history, Norwegian design and one of the most convenient locations in Oslo. Number 5 is Saga Hotel Oslo. Saga Hotel sits in Oslo's elegant west side, close to Majorstuen and within easy reach of the Royal Palace. The quieter residential setting immediately creates a different atmosphere from hotels surrounding Oslo Central Station. Inside, classic architecture meets contemporary Scandinavian design, giving the property an understated boutique character. Rooms are stylish and comfortable, with the focus firmly on relaxed city living rather than elaborate luxury. The surrounding neighborhood is one of the biggest advantages. Frogner and Majorstuen offer cafes, restaurants and attractive streets, while excellent public transport keeps central Oslo easily accessible. Vigeland Park is also nearby, giving you one of the city's most famous attractions within easy reach. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $130 to $170 per night. The main compromise is that you are not directly beside Oslo's waterfront or central railway station. But for couples wanting a quieter neighborhood and Scandinavian style at an approachable price, Saga Hotel offers excellent value. Number 4 is Clarion Hotel The Hub. Clarion Hotel The Hub takes us directly into central Oslo, almost beside Oslo Central Station. That makes airport transfers remarkably easy while also putting Karl Johans Gate, the Opera House and the waterfront within walking distance. The atmosphere is contemporary, energetic and unmistakably urban. Rooms are modern and comfortable, with some categories offering attractive views across the surrounding city. But the hub becomes particularly interesting because of its facilities. There is a swimming pool, sauna and fitness area, giving you somewhere to relax after a full day exploring Oslo. Dining and social spaces extend through the property, while breakfast can add meaningful value in an expensive city. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $150 to $190 per night. The main compromise is scale. This is a large and often busy hotel rather than an intimate boutique retreat. But for first-time visitors wanting transport convenience, central sightseeing and substantial facilities, the hub is an exceptionally practical choice. Number 3 is Hotel Bristol. Hotel Bristol gives us a completely different interpretation of Oslo luxury. Opened in 1920, the hotel sits close to Karl Johans Gate, the National Theatre and many of the city's central attractions. Inside, elegant lounges and richly decorated public spaces create the atmosphere of a traditional European grand hotel. Rooms continue that classic approach, feeling polished and comfortable without losing the historic character of the property. Hotel Bristol also offers considerably more than atmosphere. A substantial spa includes a swimming pool and wellness facilities, while the fitness center adds another useful option for longer stays. Dining is another strength. The Bristol Grill provides a more formal experience, while the Winter Garden and Library Bar give the hotel some of its most distinctive social spaces. And because the location is so central, shopping, restaurants and cultural attractions remain easily accessible on foot. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $180 to $230 per night. The main compromise is the traditional styling. travelers searching specifically for cutting-edge Nordic minimalism may prefer something more contemporary. But for couples who enjoy historic architecture, excellent facilities and the feeling of staying somewhere with genuine character, Hotel Bristol represents compelling value. And now the competition becomes even stronger. Because number 2 takes us into one of Oslo's most spectacular Art Deco transformations, complete with impressive wellness facilities and a rooftop experience. While number 1 will combine history, Norwegian design and extraordinary convenience into our strongest overall affordable luxury stay. Number 2 is Sommerro. Sommerro sits in Frogner, close to the Royal Palace, inside a landmark building dating from the 1930s. The transformation into a hotel celebrates that history rather than hiding it. Art Deco influences, dramatic interiors and beautiful public spaces give Sommerro an atmosphere unlike almost anything else in Oslo. The rooms continue that sophisticated style while remaining warm and comfortable rather than overly formal. But the facilities are what really separate Sommerro from most hotels in this price range. Vestkantbadet provides an extensive wellness experience with a swimming pool, saunas and fitness facilities. There is also a rooftop pool and sauna overlooking Oslo, creating one of the strongest visual experiences in our countdown. Several restaurants and bars give the hotel plenty of energy throughout the day and evening. That makes Sommerro particularly appealing for travelers who want the hotel itself to become part of the city break. The Frogner location also works beautifully. You are away from the immediate intensity around Central Station while remaining within easy reach of central Oslo and the waterfront. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $200 to $260 per night. That is toward the upper end of affordable luxury, but the combination of design, wellness and rooftop facilities helps justify the premium. The main compromise is that some wellness experiences or rooftop access can involve additional conditions or charges. But for couples wanting something memorable rather than simply practical, Sommerro delivers a genuine sense of occasion. And that brings us to our number 1. Number 1 is Amerikalinjen. Amerikalinjen occupies the former headquarters of the Norwegian Amerikalinjen, directly beside Oslo Central Station. The historic building once represented the beginning of journeys across the Atlantic. Today, it has been transformed into one of Oslo's most distinctive boutique hotels. Original character blends with contemporary Norwegian design, creating an atmosphere that feels sophisticated without becoming predictable. The rooms are polished and comfortable, but the real luxury here is the complete experience. Step outside and Oslo Central Station is almost beside you. Airport trains, local transport and connections across Norway become remarkably easy. The Oslo Opera House and waterfront are nearby, while Karl Johans Gate and central shopping can be reached comfortably on foot. That convenience saves time every single day of the trip. Amerikalinjen also has strong dining and social spaces, giving the historic building plenty of life beyond the guest rooms. There is also a fitness and relaxation area with a sauna. On favorable dates, room rates can sometimes begin around $220 to $280 per night. That is certainly not inexpensive. But compared with Oslo's highest-priced luxury hotels, the combination of history, design and location can make the value extremely compelling. The main compromise is the absence of a large swimming pool or extensive resort-style spa. Travelers prioritizing wellness facilities may prefer Sommerro. But for first-time visitors, couples and anyone arriving by train, Amerikalinjen makes Oslo remarkably easy to experience. And that is why it takes our number 1 position. Saga Hotel gives you quieter Scandinavian style in Oslo's elegant west side. Clarion Hotel The Hub combines exceptional transport convenience with substantial leisure facilities. Hotel Bristol delivers traditional grand hotel atmosphere and a strong wellness offering. Sommerro gives you Art Deco glamour and one of Oslo's most memorable rooftop experiences. But Amerikalinjen brings together history, Norwegian design and location more convincingly than anything else in our countdown. That is the real opportunity with affordable luxury in Oslo. You do not necessarily need the city's most expensive 5-star hotel to have a memorable stay. Choose the right location, facilities and atmosphere, and your money can go considerably further. Compare several dates before booking because Oslo hotel prices can move significantly throughout the year. Find the right rate, and this famously expensive Scandinavian capital can deliver far more luxury than you might expect.